Hello people! A message to Brazilians. Meus amigos brasileiros, a partir de agora eu vou colocar legendas em português nos vídeos de tutorial e nos próximos vídeos que eu fizer. Today we're drawing pirates, a characters lineup. Let's go!
When we think of a group of characters, we should think about how interesting these characters can be together. In today's exercise, I made a group of pirates. We think, again, of basic shapes to draw them, a different shape for each character. We still have to think about the silhouette of these characters. It is necessary to recognize their pose through their silhouettes. See how they are different from each other. After that, we think about how the characters are and how they interact with objects to reinforce their characteristics. The big character, for example, has a small knife. This reinforces her large size. Her physical attributes are all rounded. The long character seems to be more boring and angry. It has more pointed features. I'm going to draw in a bit a sword for this long character. His sword is going to be long like he is. About the colors, I picked up a ready-made color palette from the internet to save time. But it's important to know the fundamentals of colors when you paint. I knew that I wanted warm colors. I painted the characters and then I added some gradients with the burn tool. I did the shadow in a different way. I added a purple layer and erased the places where the light would reflect. Then I used multiply as a blend mode for this purple layer. After that, I added some highlights. I added a layer and painted it white where I wanted the highlights to reflect. Then I used overlay in the blend mode of this layer. Now it's done.